Hello, buenos dias, guten tag, mahaba, and bonjour. Hello trader, this is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. In today's video I will show you why gold made an all-time high on August 6, 2020, and how you could have forecasted or predicted this date 2 years earlier, 2 years in advance. I'm also going to show you a method how you could have predicted quite a few tops and bottoms in between those 2 days. And let's start the rock and roll though. So I'm on daily gold USD chart and we've got some harmonic values, some harmonic numbers which repeat all over again. Some of them are extremely important. So let's say each full cycle makes 360 degrees, so WD Gann considered this number as an important one. Obviously there are some other numbers. When we divide 360 by 5 we get as a result 72. If we divide by 8 the whole cycle we'll get 45. They are extremely important numbers and Gann mentioned it in his works. So we may say in this way that 360 degrees has got, and its increment values, all these values which you can divide 360, they are harmonic numbers, so they are very important and they also may represent some regularity in the markets. So let's talk about gold and its harmonics. As you might know, gold made an important low on August, was it August 16, I think? It was August 16, 2018 at roughly 1160. That was the recent low from in the long term, obviously, not the short term, because I'm analyzing here the daily chart. So that was an important low. The next day, we might say on August 17th, 2018, gold started rally. It started rising, and as far as you know, on August 6 was August 6th, so let's check it. On August 6, gold made all-time high at, it's Euro USD, it's not this one, over here. This was August the 6th, 2020. Gold made all-time high at roughly, it was the next day, on 7th was all-time high intraday, but the highest closing price on gold was $20.63, so $2,063 per ounce of gold. So 6th of August was a top of the tops of the market. The market has never been so high. So now let's try to find the harmonics of gold. So if you calculated the distance between these 2 dates, which are on gold, let's calculate it. Okay, I got some calculation here. Let's calculate it here, which is good. So we've got it was 6th of August 2020. That was a high 2020. All right, and the low also was on August 16. So the market started at August 17, 08, 2018. And now look happens. Let's calculate the date. If we do it, how many days is that? Is this one less this one? It makes exactly 720 days, which is an increment of 360. I mean, 2 times 360 makes 720. Very strange, isn't it? Is it coincidence? This value this high over here and the low over here on August 2018? I don't think so. Let me show you something. I told you about the division on 5 and 8 of each cycle, which is important. Divided give us 72 when 360 divided by 5, and the result we get if we divide 360 by 8 is 45. So let's go here. I show you what I've got on my Excel chart. I've got here the division of I've got a starting point date. Here is the day by day is rising market, and let's analyze it. Over here I got the number of days which passed from this date, the starting point of 16 of August 2018, where we had the low. And day by day I got this table made up to I don't know how many days, 817. I got lot enough. I marked already the days which are important. What I wanted to show you is, in my last video I've shown you about the movement of planet Venus and its cycle around heliocentric cycle. I mean the cycle around the sun of Venus is 225 days. So in this way Venus every day travels around the sun at 1.6 degree. That is very important, but what is even more important is that it gives some harmonic values which are important. Let me show you what I mean by this. So 45 multiplied by 1.6 gives 72. 45, important number. Look over here. I've got over here already 45 days from the bottom on August 16, 2018. Venus made 72 degree. Let me show you on the chart what happened here. Here we go. That's the date we calculated here is 30th of September 2018, but because it was Sunday, I marked here, because there was a big candle, I marked here 20, oh, it's 28, because 30th is, here is the date of 1st of October already. So it's anyway, somewhere between here, 28 and 1st of October. So that's the first point. The next one I calculated, let me show you, is 144 degree of a Venus movement, or 90 days from the bottom. Look what happens here. It's another one. It falls on 14 of 11, 2018. So this was the second I made. I just marked here multiplications of 72 degrees over here. So this 2 times 72 makes 144 degree, or 90 days. It's not coincidence, brother. Look further what we've got. We got another one. Another 72 days makes 216. 3 times 72 is 216. We got 29th of December, which I marked as a miss. Here we go. It's nothing here, but let's check the next one. 4 times 72 is 288, 12th of February 2019. Here we go, 12th of February 2019, the market was rising, made a correction, and in this area started rising again. So you can see this pretty nice rise of about $40. So let's check the next one, which is 29th of March 2019, which is 360 degree. So Venus made a whole cycle around the sun from the starting point, and in the same time, here we go, it's 225 days. And this is 5 cycles of 72 degree, which makes one full cycle of Venus. Let's check it. 29th of March 2019. Where is it? Here we go. 29th of March 2019. It shows the market. It was started a correction of, how much was that? It was about 200 pips, which is about $20, obviously with a stop loss, but it was a point when the market stopped. So let's check the next one. Let's go further. We got 270 days from the bottom, from the low, or 432 degree or 72 degree. It is 6 cycles of 72. This 13th of May 2019, which is over here. We got 13th of May, it's hit again. 13th of May, the next one. It's very important, it's not that far. 27th of June, it's a miss. Let me show you. 27th of June is a miss because it was in the middle of the market. Well, basically, it would have worked on a lower time frame. On H4, probably it would work better to forecast it. But I consider it as a miss. And the next one is another miss. Another miss. 11th of August 2019. That's the one. I consider it as a miss. 11 was Sunday. As you can see, it was on Sunday that time. 8 times 72, 576 degree from the starting point. Next one. Here we go. We got 25th of September, 648 degrees or 405 days from the start. They are all harmonic. These numbers, they are harmonic. Look, 25th of September. We've got over here lovely start of the falling market. It has fallen about $60, $70. Next one, we are not very far from the end. Another one, 9/11/2019, harmonic number 450, 720. 2 cycles of Venus from the beginning and in the same time 10 times 45, as well as 9/11/19, which also looks very magic. It has fallen on Saturday, so it should be Friday 8th or Monday 11th. So where we are, 25th of 9, 2019. Where is it? Oh, 25th of 9 is this one. Sorry, guys. It was a hit. The next one is 9/11, which is over here, exactly in the bottom. 11/11/2019. Look, lovely. Next one. Next one is on 24th of 12th of December 2019, which is over here. It is a miss, I consider. 24th of December. It is a miss. 7 February 2020. Here we go. Is it a miss or hit? I wouldn't consider it. It's just we got this 1 day orb because we should have started. It's just the beginning of the small correction, but I consider it as a miss. But definitely 23rd of March, the Madness Day. It's a hit. It should be 24th. Is it 24th? Yes, it is. I tell you in a moment what happens with that. With 1 day orb, 1 day slippage, which we've got here. This one. 13 times 72 is 936 or 585 days from the start. Last but not least, 7 of May 2020. 7 of May 2020. It is over here, just on the top, and the correction began. The small correction over here began. And the next one, 19th of June, which we've got over here, 19th of June, 15 times 72 from the starting point of August 16, 2018. It was Sunday, so the hit should be on Monday or Friday. So let's check it, 21st of June 2020. I marked on 19 because the market started rally on Friday. And last but not least, 5th of August 2020, just a day before the market hit the top of all-time highs over here on 6th of August 2020. So as you may see, the next one, when it's gonna happen, you might ask. It's 18th of September. We've got it marked. Next one, 17 times 72 is 765 or 1224 in degrees, which is on 19th of September 2020. And it also shows just the end of this correction and continuation of the local downtrend, short-term downtrend, which we are actually in, and we are expecting what's going to happen. When is going to happen the next one? What do you think? I think 8,010 is the next one. 8,010 days. I marked it here. 3rd of November 2020, which looks like still far away, another 1 month to go. 3rd of November, it will be over here somewhere. That's the next one. We're expecting a turning point. Why we missed it one day? Well, to be honest, I don't know. Maybe the market still had to push up and get all the stop losses. This candle, it might have been a trap, because probably the level which we consider as a support resistance, it's somewhere here, or the area where the market was, it has been actually broken. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here. So here we are still in support resistance area. But what is important, what I wanted to show you in this video, I think I've shown you. So 45 and 72, 360, they are all harmonic numbers. In this way, when you analyze any market, not necessarily on Venus period, but Venus works pretty well for the swings on any market. So the short-term movement, short-term trends of several days, I think is a very good indicator. If combined with other filters of technical analysis, these two values can give you really good tips for your trading. If you see that 72 meets 45 or 144, or 90 meets 144 in the cycles, in your cyclical calculations, that you might consider there is a turning point. Thanks very much for watching. I hope I'll see you next time. Watch my other videos. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.